Now, the National Human Rights Commission has submitted its final report to Kolkata High Court on post-poll violence in West Bengal. The NHRC has submitted its recommendation before the High Court, in which it recommends a CBI probe into the post-poll violence. In the scathing report, NHRC says the trial needs to be shifted outside of Bengal and provide security to threatened person providing testimonial evidence to the judicial system. In fact, the right panel also recommends police and bureaucracy reforms in West Bengal and suggested the court should monitor special investigation teams in this case. Meanwhile, Bengal Chief Minister has reacted to the NHRC report, saying post-poll violence in subjudicial and political parties can give their opinion. In fact, she calls it subjudicial. She added that she knows who has filed this report. Let me quickly cut across to Prema Rajaram joining us live for more. Prema, if you can take us through this NHRC report where it clearly asks for a CBI probe and multiple directions that the report suggests, asking for protection of those witnesses, for the trial to take place outside West Bengal, for police reforms, judicial reforms. It's quite a detailed report. If you could take us through what the TMC has reacted to this as well.
It's quite a detailed report because in this report they have said that there should be a court-monitored SIT for cases which are going to be looked at in West Bengal. But for grievous cases, there should be the CBI that looks into these cases and they should be tried outside West Bengal. Apart from that, also the report does mention that when it comes to the ruling party, they did not stand by the victims or did not really do anything in terms of assurances. So various findings by the NHRC, and this report was given to the Calcutta High Court. Now we'll have to see what direction the Calcutta High Court takes after this report. But clearly the report does indicate that there has been a post-poll violence, that victims are still displaced from their houses, and like you mentioned, a witness protection scheme also that has been asked for by the NHRC in its report. So various aspects in this report, but clearly it's now the ruling party how they look at this, because as far as the victims are concerned, they want justice, they want to go back to their homes, and somewhere the Trinamool Congress has been denying that there's post-poll violence and that the ruling party is part of this as well. Back to you, Nabila.
Right. Prema, the National Human Rights Commission also observing the violence that has taken place that needs to be having court-monitored SIT probe as well. And on multiple guidelines that the NHRC has mentioned in its report, Mamata Banerjee almost sarcastically says, we know who's made that report. So who's she really hinting at or indicating? Any more that the TMC has said, or the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, on this? Because we know that they resisted this hearing in court itself from the start. Mamata Banerjee has made these indications, but she's not clearly hinted at who she has mentioned. But clearly somewhere Mamata Banerjee had hit out at the center, even in the past, where she said that when it comes to the ruling party in West Bengal, the BJP is leaving no stone unturned to hit out at the TMC. And now when the Trinamool Congress has said that they have not been part of the post-poll violence, that it is something that the BJP is in a way making up when it comes to certain cases of violence over here, because the Trinamool Congress has maintained that not all of them are political nature. They are in fact more of personal vendetta cases. But somewhere Mamata Banerjee are not very happy with the NHRC report and the fact that this is a report that was asked for by the Calcutta High Court. Now we'll have to see what the Calcutta High Court does after they see this report. And we must also remember, Nabila, that the NHRC team was attacked when they were in Calcutta to speak to the victims, and when they had to get hold of various aspects to come out with this final report and submit it to the Calcutta High Court. Back to you, Nabila. Prema, thank you very much for joining us with those details. But we do know how much the TMC resisted a probe into the post-poll violence. In fact, Mamata Banerjee has spoken right after the NHRC report has come out.
Instead of giving the report to court, they have already leaked all the reports to Human Rights Commission to outside. They should have respect their court. How they can disrespect? Instead of hearing started, Even the opposition, we are the government. We have to give our opinion also. This is the justice. And court gave us time also for that. I think they will give us time, or they have given the time for affidavit or something. So before that, how they leaked all the news, what they have submitted in the court, if it is not political vendetta?